Hi, my name is Maarten Logtenberg. I'm the CTO and co-founder of CEAD Group. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our range of extruders, or which extruder you're going to need for your application. So we have designed our robot extruders to be mounted on a robot, obviously. They're lightweight and we made a system that are very easy to be integrated with any other platform. From a Yaskawa robot, KUKA, ABB, and of course the FlexBot. If you already have a robot that has no use or you want to use a different brand, then we have many options of integration. It doesn't stop at robots. Because our extruders are so lightweight and everything has been designed to be mounted on a moving system, they can perfectly be mounted on a gantry system. For instance, a CNC milling system. We have a great example of our partner Belotti. They mount our extruders on their CNC 5-axis CNC machines, making their machines more versatile, be capable of printing and milling.